Hello everyone, and welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. Today we'll be looking at the word assistance. Assistance. How many syllables do you think this word has? Assistance has 3 syllables. A-sis-tense. Assistance. Now, where does the stress go in this word? If you said the second syllable, you're correct. So this syllable is a little bit louder in volume. Assistance. Assistance. Now, let's see if you can guess the meaning of the word assistance from context. Read the sentences on your screen and focus on the words in yellow. As you can see, assistance is in yellow, and its other word forms are as well. See if you can guess the meaning based on these sentences. If you need more time, you can pause the video now. The meaning of the word assistance is help or aid that is given. Is this what you got? If not, go back to the previous exercise and see how this meaning fits into those sentences. Let's take another look at those sentences. But instead of focusing on meaning, this time try to see if you can figure out the part of speech. So, is the word in yellow being used as a noun, a verb, or an adjective? If you need more time, you can pause the video now. As you can see from the chart on your screen, assistance is the noun form. The verb form is assist, and the adjective form is assistive. Notice that the adjective form ends in IVE. This is a helpful suffix for you to remember as an adjective suffix. Okay, now that we've gone over the pronunciation, meaning, and part of speech of assistance and its other word forms, the next thing for you to do is practice. You can start with the sentence on your screen. Describe a time when you needed assistance with something that was difficult. You can post your answers to our social media pages, and we look forward to seeing you next week for our next academic word.